How to turn on notification on Uniswap. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification on Uniswap application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Uniswap on your mobile device. Once you open the Uniswap application on your mobile device, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Click on it. After you click on setting icons, you can see this option for notification. Click on it. You are looking to turn on notification, right? Just toggle all these buttons. Once you toggle it, you'll be able to get notification from Uniswap application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn on notification on Uniswap application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.